Today, we're going to draw and color a cute little prince together. First, let's make a simple outline for our little prince. You can download the outline below and color along. Let's start with his bright golden hair. Use yellow first, and we'll add a slightly deeper gold for shading later. Next, color his face with a soft peach tone and keep his smile warm and gentle. Now color his scarf red, then use green for his shirt. You can add slightly darker shades for a cozy look. Finally, color his pants blue and his shoes a warm brown. Keep it simple and soft. Look at our little prince, so bright and cute with his golden hair. A gentle heart always finds its way among the stars.